Welcome back to Ask the Landlord. And I got this question a lot. Obviously, people have repairs sometimes that need to happen in their apartments, and the landlord's not getting to it fast enough. What do I do, as a resident? So, the first thing is to communicate the issue, make sure it was received, and make sure that you're available to the landlord to have the repairs made. That's really, communication is important, and make an assessment of the nature of the repair and, come to an agreement with the landlord as to when it's going to be fixed and how it's going to be fixed. If it's not going to, if for some reason they're not taking care of it, then you can certainly discuss the next steps of either withholding rent or whatever. But the first step, and I think what we've advocated here, is communication, making sure that you're available to have the issues taken care of on both sides. I think that the landlord needs to be communicative and responsive as well. So make sure that both you're communicating and available to have the repairs done.